And now, continuing with the Chlamydomonas, there is something called as Palmella stage in Chlamydomonas. This is important. Palmella stage. What is Palmella stage? The first point is this is a type of asexual reproduction. Usually, the asexual reproduction in Chlamydomonas is zoospores. All of us know this, zoospores. And in unfavorable conditions, in Chlamydomonas nivalis, I see hypnospores. Palmella stage is also a resting condition, also a asexual reproduction, also consists of a thick wall, but there are no flagella. In Palmella stage, I don't see flagella, but otherwise we see Palmella stage in unfavorable conditions, asexual reproduction during unfavorable conditions like shortage of water, water is not available, or excess of salt, change in the habitat. When it faces such challenges, what will the protoplast of Chlamydomonas will divide into multiple pieces of small protoplasm whatever was one cytoplasm will become many. It will break into fragments, and around such fragments, the Chlamydomonas will develop a thick gelatinous coat. So thick, you can see how thick it is. Even whatever are there inside, each small piece of protoplasm also will develop a gelatinous coat, but it will not develop flagella. Flagella are absent. The protoplast segments, whatever are divided, are called as palmellospores. Whatever spores are formed by division of protoplast in the Chlamydomonas during unfavorable conditions are called as palmellospores. The package will have a thick gelatinous coat. Independent spore will have a thick gelatinous coat, but we don't see flagella. This is the major difference between zoospores, which is also asexual reproduction, palmellospores, which is also asexual reproduction. But just on onset of favorable conditions, when it is about to germinate, two things happen. This gelatinous coat dissolves and it develops flagella. Flagella are seen just before the germination on onset of favorable conditions. This is all the story about Palmella. Asexual reproduction, unfavorable condition, protoplast divides into many segments, common gelatinous sheath, independent gelatinous sheath, no flagella, dormancy, and they are called as palmellospores. On onset of favorable conditions, gelatinous coat dissolves and flagella appears, and how many divisions of protoplast occurred, those many fragments will develop into young Chlamydomonas is Palmella stage. We also see Palmella stage in Euglena. They also withdraw the flagella, pack up in a gelatinous coat, And onset of favorable condition, they dissolve, develop flagella and germinate. Got it? So palmella is basically an asexual reproduction is the point. You can see a picture here. The division of the protoplast of a cell ultimately forms amorphous colony which is not differentiated clearly. No clear external structure. With indefinite number of spores and is called as palmella stage. You can see the palmella stage here. We don't see flagella at all. We see a coat and the common gelatinous coat is not shown here.